you guys haven't known, I have purchased the Boson. Everything is here except one piece for this new computer. Not one piece, three things. I'm missing the power supply, graphics card, and the DVD-ROM or CD-ROM, whatever it is, to install Windows. So I've got the AMD Athlon 5350, very nice CPU. Got my Crucial Ballistic Sport 8 GB RAM. Got Windows 7 right there. I got Windows 7 64-bit. I don't like Windows 10. It's crap. I had it before. You just can't run every program on it, and that's the old computer. It's going to crap. Got the motherboard here, the AM1 MS2H. It's an ultra durable motherboard. This is a really nice motherboard. It's compatible with AMD. That's why I got this. And then we've got the computer case down here. Oh, I forgot. 1 TB hard drives in that little box. This is the case. It's nice. I'm not gonna take it out of its plastic yet until I get the last three parts. So that's an update on the Boson. New computer coming, guys. It's gonna be awesome. New content coming out for you guys when this thing is built. And Steve and I are gonna do a time lapse of us building this, and it's gonna be an epic video. So stay tuned.